Hello and welcome to part 5 of my Unity incremental game tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to cover a request. One guy asked me how you change the color of the image or the buttons to show you when you can afford the upgrade. So this is really simple. Um, to do this we're going to have to access the image component of our script because this is the color that we're going to change. Um, I already made a couple of presets. This is our standard color, so if you wanted to make this color a preset, you just click this little button, add new preset. I already have done that, and I've made a preset for the color I wanted to change to when we can afford it as well. So now that you have that, the first thing we're gonna do is go into Upgrade Manager, and we're gonna import the Unity UI collection. So using Unity engine.ui. I'm not going to forget this time to make the code. Oops. I'm going to make the code a bit bigger. So Control plus. There we go. I forgot to do this in my previous tutorials, so this time I'm not going to do that. So for this, we need an if statement inside of our update function. This is going to go check if we have enough gold. So if click gold is higher or equal to the cost, we want the image component to change colors. So we need to get that component by typing get component image parentheses dot color. But before we do that, we need two public variables to store our color. So we're going to go public color. I'm going to name one standard for our standard color and one color for our affordable color. So if we can afford it, we want the color to be equal to affordable. Otherwise, we need the what the fuck is happening? There we go. Otherwise, we need the component image color to be equal to standard. And now if we go back to Unity, on our buttons we're going to have two new public variables. So I'm just going to select all of these buttons and set the standard color to my standard color preset and my affordable to my affordable color preset. And I'm just going to go quickly into our item manager script and do the exact same thing using Unity engine UI. Make a public variable for our standard color and make a public variable for our affordable color. Then I'm just gonna be naughty and copy my code. And what the fuck is happening? I'm just gonna copy it straight into here. Actually, yeah. Then go back into Unity and set the color variables to the same here. Now I'm just going to check that it quickly works, and it works as intended. So this is going to be for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to make or how to convert the gold. Say if you had 1000 gold, that changes to 1.000k instead, and when you have a million gold it'll change to 1.00m, just so it doesn't get crammed. Because right now if you had like 10,000 gold, it would go all the way from here to here. It would like be too wide. So that's also very good if you have like instead of gold, like if you had dollars or I don't know what kind of currency you have for your game, but it's useful in a lot of situations. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and leave a comment with what you want to see next. And see you soon. Bye bye.